Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a little bit of flock treatment. I noticed Rodney has some dark spots on her feet, and I looked that up and realized that's Bumblefoot. At the same time, I'm also going to be treating her for mites, lice, and scaly leg mites just as a preventative measure. I always get questions about how to do that, so I'll show you guys in this video. So here we are. I'm soaking her feet in Epsom salt water. So it's 2 cups of warm water with 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt. You should do this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Going forward, I am going to get a bin and cut a hole out of the top for the head because this was a huge struggle. And then so for the ivermectin, I take a little syringe, not a sharp one, and just put a pea-sized drop, barely squeezing it right on the back of the neck. And then repeat that again in 2 weeks. And you'll see if your flock has any scales lifted, any lice, any mites, this will clear it right up. It's amazing, it works perfect. So here we are now back in the coop, and she does not love the wraps on her feet. But it's for her own good because it's gonna help her get better. And it's kind of cute because it looks like she's wearing little shoes or booties in a way. And that's normal for her to be doing that, but just have to keep the feet clean, keep wrapping them, and within time it will get better. The amount of time it takes depends on how severe it is, but I hope this video helped.